Hey, what's up guys, it's Daily Gamer here, back with another Mariokart Wii video. We'll be starting out with some speedruns, and then about halfway through the video, we'll be hitting some online. Hopefully I'll do well, please enjoy. Alright, so we'll be starting out with some Star Cup today. As you can see, we have some Daisy Circuit. It's very stakes. There's no other way to put it. I'm sorry for those of you who like this race, but yeah, this stinks. Well, Volvo actually kind of helped because I went through, or I went around that corner and just got stuck at the wall. Oh, I didn't get the lap count. That's gonna hurt my time. No, the CPUs are pretty good at this race. Oh. Today was good, I guess. I have a cold, so that's not the best. Today was also day one of the new trimester. I have a really easy trimester though, so it's not to be worried about. My hardest class is in the LA class. Not a huge fan of those. It's a writing class too, so yeah, Tonight though is, I believe it's Monday Night Football. It's either like, it's like Rams versus 49ers or something. The Rams should get an easy win. The 49ers are really bad. Alright, so anyway, it happens at this race, and it happens anyway. I'm not a huge fan of Daisy Circuit. It's just boring, and it's just a terrible speedrun course. I mean, all right. Moving on to some Koopa Cave. This race goes good. There is a shortcut at this race if you can get it, which I've tried to get it before. This race goes good. It's pretty fun. The music is good too. Let's get started. Classic Wii wheel, of course. Okay, at least the bottom didn't fully affect me. Not that it's annoying, but yeah. Alright. We're gonna go for a little bit of a shortcut here. Line them up. Oh, close. You gotta try to clear that. Oh, that luck. We gotta try to clear that, what's his face? You gotta try to clear that cliff thing. Yeah, that part can be kind of tricky. You have to make sure you don't fly out of bounds. Okay, that is the one point in which I can actually kind of fake the bomb because it slowed me down. So, sweet, I'm huge. Oh, yes. Oh, let's just grab this bullet. Let's just see what happens. You never know. That's why you try. Alright, so we get to attempt this shortcut again. Close. I'm really close. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. At least I'm in 5th. And here you gotta be careful. If you go too fast, you gotta bounce. Okay, I'm huge. Hopefully I land on the track. Sweet. Alright, here we go. Lap 3. The speedrun for what it is, it's not going too fast, but it still is fun. Look out for that banana peel. star, at least it makes it so I don't run into anything, or if I run into like a shell, it doesn't do nothing. But yeah, like literally, sorry for the up and downs. But yeah, like the out of bounds, nothing affects you because you're going so fast. Nice. The time wasn't too good. But the place was good. So we're 4th overall, I think. So that's good. Next up, we're gonna have Maple Tree Ride. This speed run is very hard. It's just hard because there's not a whole lot of walls to bounce off of, and then of course there's that one point where if you're not careful, you can get the invisible zipper glitch, as I call it, sort of, or the infinite zipper glitch is TWD90. It says where you just go off and you keep lighting in the caterpillar zone. I've had that happen before. And then then of course, and I would be in a great place right now if that had happened, but oh well. Yes, I love it. Just how you're going so fast, like the green shell hit. I hit it, but I was going so fast I just flew right into the cannon. Yeah, like I was saying about the glitch, you have to be careful or else you can literally be stuck there forever. Boy. Have to be careful. Okay, I can kind of be thankful for that. That was perfect. That's pretty much just how you want to do it. That was not clear. We're gonna go for the shortcut because I got the checkpoint and I went through the wall. We're gonna go for the huge shortcut. It was worth a try. Let's see where it respawned. Yeah, it was weird because I went through the wall. There. So it was worth a try. Point. I love it how sometimes you're just going so fast. Barely avoided the shock cloud, storm cloud. I love how you're just going so fast that, yeah, sometimes on that thing where there's like the shortcut where it gets you behind to get a good power up, and then you can smuggle it to a good place. How you literally can just go up the side of that sometimes. It's awesome. Okay, careful. Ooh, yeah, see? Let's see where it respawns me. I should get it just before the... Oh, that's even better. Then I'll have to worry about that glitch again. Okay, a little bit of airtime there. And it's ordinarily a good pull, and it still is anyway. But you're already going so fast, like... That was sweet. So I'm in first, and I'm actually doing good. I might even be doing better than Koopa Cape's time, which is 6. Okay, I gotta be careful here with that invisible, or not invisible, with that zipper glitch. Let's go, because there's too many. Oh, I'm hoping to get that same good respawn as before. Let's go. I gotta be careful. But because, and the good news about item rate is that, yeah, sometimes there can just be too many items in circulation, so the blue shells will cancel themselves out. Yeah, even if you're, just like what happened now, you're going so fast, you might actually avoid them. So, good time on Maple Tree Way, good place on Maple Tree Way. It's good. Next up we have Grumble Volcano. Huge shortcut. So here we go. This is the final Star Cup race. After this, we'll transition we'll probably do either DK Summon or Toad's Factory. Depends on how well this one goes. But this one should go really well. So I should have time for at least Toad's Factory to get something. Here we go. Really? The only thing you can do with that is just shake your head because that was very unfortunate. Okay, so ordinarily you would say this is lucky, but to be honest, it really, I mean, it is lucky. But it's not going to do me much good. Here we go, shortcut. Yeah, I figured I was done anyway, so I figured this why not just fake it. Alright, excellent lap time. I'll grab this. Then we don't run into any annoying banana peels. It's not often you say that in a video game. Unless it's Mario Kart, in which it's completely appropriate anchoring. Oh no. Huge mistake, because now I might get a better respawn. Yeah, that's what you figure. I'm gonna try something totally wacky. Yeah, I did not. Just for fun, you know. Okay. I kind of think that red shell because it stopped me from what definitely would have been a certain death by falling off the racetrack, so that's good. Oh my word. It's like a maze of just shells and stuff. Yes, thank you, Speedbot. Okay, so I have a good time. It's not a record by any means, but it's still a good time. Not good, because now I'm going to get a better respawn. Worth a try. Got a pretty good respawn. Let's see what happens if I do this. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Let's go! Huge shortcut. Hey, that was pretty sweet, not gonna brag. So, we run out the Star Cup with a first place finish overall with points. It's good. Now we'll transition into some, I don't know, probably Toad's Factory. Depending, if this goes really well, we might have time for DK Summit. If not, after this or after DK Summit, it'll be online time. And that'll be good. Hopefully in online we'll get some 150cc races. Those ones are fun. And hopefully there'll actually be people playing. Because I am playing just a bit earlier tonight than what I have been. So hopefully there'll be some people playing. Right now, if I had to guess, it'd be about 5. Nice. If I had to guess, it'd be about 8:13, 8:14, so around 8, whatever. 8:16 or whatever. That's all I'll be playing online. So if you want to join, feel free to do so. Just go to your Wii CTGP Revolution. Oh yeah. Weemify. And maybe, hopefully, luckily, you'll get put in the same friend room as me. I mean, the same online room as me. Let's go. Double flag shell avoidance. And you can play against me. We'll see who's better. If you play against me, be sure to comment that you did. Let's go. I almost got a sub-minute Toad's Factory run. And Mario just flies off into the end zone. So that was really good. That went really good. Alright, so next we actually have time. I mean, it's really close, but I'm just going to do DK Summer really quick. So online will probably be happening about 16 or 17 minutes in. So if you're bored of speedruns, feel free to skip to that. Honestly, actually, it'll probably be more like 18 or 19, because it takes a bit to switch between online and speedruns. I've done it in every video and recorded it. It just works better that way than stopping both phones from recording. Okay, starting out good. Okay, starting out even better, considering I didn't fly through that wall. So in case, if this is your first time here, I have a custom setup. I do not have a capture card. Don't have a green screen. I'm literally using the cheapest way, or the best way. I have 2 phones. One's on a step stool, on a piano bench, on a custom tablet stand that's recording me in the commentary. The other one's on a tripod selfie stick. I always take the audio from this phone, and because this phone, the microphone is not clogged up with dirt because I work in a greenhouse, so it's not, microphone's nice and clean. And then you can just hear me better too if I use this one. The audio's better balanced. Ah, excuse me. Good thing that didn't happen online. Alright, so this is actually going not too bad. Let's see if I can hit a sub 1 minute 40. Should be able to do that pretty easily. Yeah, unless that happens. Okay. Rats. My least favorite sport to watch would either be golf or NASCAR. Not a huge fan of either one. Golf is okay, but NASCAR is just terrible. I mean, like, no offense to those of you out there who like racing, but it's just not that exciting. I do like football and soccer though. I don't watch a lot of TV. I mostly play video games. But yeah, I like football, soccer, and sports. Alright, so that's it for the verses with speedruns. Now we will be switching to online play. So, I have to go to CTGP R channel and turn off my stuff folders. That way I don't get accused of cheating and get banned. That would not be good. So, please bear with me here for about 2 minutes while I turn that off. This is going pretty good. It's going pretty fast. So that's good. But hoping when we get online, we'll get into a race almost immediately. Because, yeah, there's been a couple nights where it's literally just been that you get in and they literally like just started or like 40 seconds into a race and you gotta wait forever to get into the lobby of the race thing. And it just takes up time, so that's time that I could be playing. You guys could be watching me play, so. Alright. It's a good thing I didn't go back to the CTGP Revolution channel. That would have been embarrassing. Here we go, Weemify. Hopefully gonna be a speedy connection. Yeah, thanks again to Weemify Weem and Seat Chatters and Mr. Bean and all the people who out there who made this possible. It is much appreciated by me and I'm pretty sure countless other people. Because like this, without them, I would not be able to do any of these cool mods or this online in 2021. Yeah, Wii servers got shut down years ago. So, okay, so it's being fussy, but if I try again, it should work. It should work now. If it doesn't work now, we're going to have to restart the video, which would be unfortunate. Yeah, that's what you figure. So my versus rating is doing 5. Been able to stay above 5,000. So that's good. I believe it's doing good. So hopefully there's a lot of people online, or at least some people online. Once again, I'd just like to thank everybody who's been subscribed so far, and those of you who are watching. it is much appreciated. Please consider liking and subscribing. Alright, so there's one person, or at least there was. Oh my word, where is everybody? I'm gonna restart the search. Hopefully there's more people online. Yeah, usually later at night, people, like 8:30 plus, more people will log on. I'm playing right now at, yeah, I'm checking the time on this phone, 8:31, so hopefully there's some people online. If not, what we'll have to do is we'll just have to abandon online and then hit just some regular races. Okay, we'll give it another 30 seconds, and if it doesn't find anybody, I'm just going to give up. Because this is very boring. For me and for you guys. Quick side note, thanks for bearing with me so far. I know, like I said, this is just not exciting. This is really boring. Alright, yeah, we're just going to give up. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like either nobody's online or connections or whatever. So, we're going to just do some regular races. We'll just do some custom tracks. Just to practice. That stinks because I got to improve my VR rating. We'll probably do some Aquadrome stage. Actually, yeah, we'll do that. And then maybe some... either Aquadrome or the Sky. We'll do some Aquadrome. Let me see if I can find it. If you're still watching this far, thanks for watching this far. It's much appreciated. Today, my channel has officially reached past 14,000 views. That's what it said in the studio. So thanks for making that happen. And here we go. Alright, this race is a good item race. One of my favorite Mario Kart YouTubers, CWD98, he said items are more likely to land on flat surfaces. This race is all about flat surfaces. Oh my god. Okay, looking for some bullets. Maybe that was one. Nice. Grab the mushroom, that didn't do much. Well, that was that. At least I'm at 5th. There's bound to be some good items around here. Oy vey. Nice. Hey, as I say, I'm huge. Trade lap 2. That's very unfortunate. Okay, avoided that bomb, that's good. We're gonna take this top and make mushroom despawn and then that. I got for a bomb at whatever at 10 or 11 o'clock. Oh my word. So unfortunate. Okay, we're going to grab that, or at least I was going to. Oh my word! I just missed a mega mushroom. Okay, I need to grab this one. Good. Yeah, this trimester I have 3 computer science classes and 1 band class. So it should be pretty easy. I might have said that. I don't know. Sweet, let's go. Please let me spawn. Okay, good. Today after work I had a Mountain Dew, so that was exciting. Okay, there is still hope to get first. Who's in first? Is it King Boo? Oh, now it's me. Oh, I could have used that. Yeah, one thing, I've said this before, but I'll say it again, there's one. So it's always important to wheelie as much as possible. Because you just get more speed. Okay, I'm hoping to have this one in the back. Good pull. That's a good pull. I'm going to save that for some blue shells. Still got the wheelie. So the reason I activated it, I was going to lose it anyway, so I might as well activate it. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that little grass spot at the end slowed me down. That's not good. Alright, we're going to round it out with some... Let's see here. Probably some Solar Edition Rainbow Road Solar Edition. This race is good. It does take a while. Now, one of the things I do appreciate about this CTGP Evolution is, of course, item raid. I mean, pretty much all my videos have had that, and from the moment I activated it, pretty much all my videos have had it. Yeah, like I said at first, I was like, eh. So I disable it, then I enable it, and I'm like, insane. So. Yeah, hopefully I do pretty good at this race. Oh, not these wheelie bumpers. Come on, people. Oh, how good the game. Why was it so mean to me? Oh my word. Okay. Ooh. Should have waited. I should have let go off the golden and then activated it after I got to that third ball. Okay, with a bike, if you crank it, it might be good. Oh my word, I'm still alive? Oh! I jinxed it. Ooh, that was close. This race is definitely good practice. Plus, it's fun. I mean, who doesn't love bouncing off giant cookies in space? Oh. Okay, so far, it could be going better. How rude. Oh my word. Okay, I avoided the power, but unfortunately, so that was close. Did I just bump? Oh. Okay, good pull. Oh. Funky Kong, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Yes. So far, this has actually been this has been moderately well. I gotta grab this. And so if I'm flattened and I got zapped, I'm gonna be going really slow. Good. I'm huge. Oh, that was so close. Oh my word. How am I still alive? This is incredible. How am I still alive? Wow, that was good accuracy by the CPU. Shoot. Of course, the moment I get it first. Oh, get wrecked earlier so bad. Okay, here we go, lap 2. Let's see if we can keep this, if we can get a first place here. Okay, don't trick, and now trick. There we go. You gotta be careful with tricking off these things. Unfortunate. Ooh, close. Oh, it's going somehow stayed on. That was risky though. Who's in first? Bowser? Oh my word, not again. At least I didn't die. Yeah, the cookies are awesome. Oh, I have had so many lucky moments. It's actually incredible. By the way, if you guys are like, oh my word, Apple phones are so much better than, like iOS is so much better than Android, think again. Because I've got two great Android phones that are doing this YouTube thing, that are recording this video from both angles. And yeah, iOS, no, it's just not as customizable. Like my computer, you guys have seen it before. If you've watched Rocket League or whatever, you've seen it before. I have a Windows computer because Windows is just so much better than Mac OS. Don't even try to debate it. Yeah, on my computer I have Windows 11. It's like I have it installed. It's like I've gotten some updates from it. So if your device supports it, great. Be sure to install it and try it out. It's very simple. It's actually too simple. But like I got Android 12 on my Google Pixel. And yeah, everything, it just, even that's oversimplified. So. Yeah, unfortunately there ain't much I can do about that. About a mushroom, except for just trying to get back into it as fast as I can. Okay, long race, great finish. And actually. No, second's a great finish. Alright, that's going to do it for tonight. So, the Daily Gamer here again. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Please consider liking, subscribing, and of course, sharing. That way you don't miss out on any new videos. And have a great day.